In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code in Visual Studio Code. By the end of this tutorial, you will have installed the extension, logged in, and understood how to utilize its features effectively. To begin the installation process, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once the program is running, press Control and Shift together, followed by the letter X. This combination opens the extensions view, where you can explore various extensions available for installation. In the search bar, at the extensions view, type Claude Code, followed by the name Anthropic to narrow down your search. The results will display the Claude Code extension. Once you locate it, click the install button next to the extension. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the installation was successful. Next, to open Claude Code, look for the spark icon, which resembles a small star or cross. This icon can be found in the activity bar on the side of the Visual Studio Code window or in the top right corner of your editor. Click on this icon. Once the panel is open, you will see a sign in button. Click this button to initiate the login process. A new browser window will open, guiding you through the sign-in procedure. Follow the instructions provided in the browser to complete your authentication. After logging in successfully, return to Visual Studio Code. Now that you are logged in, you can start utilizing Claude Code's features. To reference specific files while working, type the camera, a symbol, followed by the file name you want Claude to examine. This feature allows you to direct Claude's attention to particular files within your project. When Claude suggests changes to your code, a side-by-side window will appear, displaying the suggested modifications. In this window, you can review the diffs and decide whether to approve or reject specific lines. This feature helps streamline your code review process and enhances collaboration. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.